Welcome to our sawmill, and also welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Noah. I own this YouTube channel. My twin brother, Jake. If you're new here, essentially what's going on is my twin brother and I own an exterior carpentry company where we build fences and decks around the greater St. Louis area. We're a two-man team right now. I cut all cedar logs that were harvested around here for lumber for my brother to install for projects in the city. So I wanted to document this log specifically because it was, I think, the biggest log in our delivery a couple days ago. It's about 20 inches in diameter. Most of them are probably like 10 or 11 in diameter. So this is definitely our biggest one. That's better. It's not too often I gotta do that, actually. So my goal for all of the big logs is we mainly cut fence material, and getting the dog ear pickets, which are these things, less than an inch thick. They're 5.5, 6 feet tall, dog eared. I need so many of these, and sometimes on the smaller logs, I get like 3 or 4. Ideally get like 6 or 7 out of like the average size log. On the last log I just cut right before this one was a pretty big log. I got 10 out of. So let's see how many dog ear pickets I can get out of our biggest log in our delivery. I'm hoping for 20. That would be cool. That would be cool. So today I'm cutting on a Wood-Mizer LT15, which is a pretty entry-level sawmill. There are some like smaller ones that are essentially just chainsaws on tracks, but this one is pretty beginner level as far as price and user goes. Gonna take a big old drink of water, cover my ears, cover my mouth, cover my nose, cover my eyes, and get the first cant on this, which is just like flat level part of the log that we can start creating angles on. I have a feeling this one's gonna be heavy. Ooh, that breeze was amazing. Okay, yeah, that's a nice cant. I could cut slabs out of this, but I still have slabs from our last load that we haven't like sold or done anything with, so I don't really see the point. Alright, what's a new fresh angle I never get? So when I get to this point, like I'll turn these into pickets all together. bring my saw down. What the saw says 5.5 inches is. And then I think I'm gonna have more left over on top. So 5.5 inches from the bottom. So those pickets will be done from the very bottom. And then I'll have some left up top that are hopefully bigger than 5.5 that I'm gonna keep the saw at the same spot and then recut the top portion just to make sure they're all the same. Yeah, so these top ones are kind of too big. So there we go. Yeah, 15 perfect freaking pickets out of this log so far. Okay, last cut. Okay. 27 pickets out of that huge log. Got 10 out of the last one, 27 out of this one. My goal, I was hoping to cut like 100 today, and I thought that was crazy, but now it looks like it's pretty possible. Well, that concludes my experience of cutting the biggest log in our log yard. Now I have to find the next biggest log. It looks pretty buried though. But thank you for watching. Follow, subscribe, comment. Thank you.